Looking to remodel or maybe new construction? Don't forget the pipes. At Boskin & Summers Plumbing Contractors, our specialists provide commercial and residential plumbing service for both remodels and new construction. We are trained to design, assemble, and install piping systems for any sized home or office and with any style of pipes. And we provide a full estimate before any work is done. Plus, we can set up an inspection and maintenance schedule to keep things running smoothly. For a commitment to honesty and integrity, call Boskin & Summers Plumbing Contractors today.